services. I also have a decorative, like concrete stamping, turf installation, what else was there? Concrete, turf installation, pool maintenance, decorative concrete stamping. Each of those are in like the 1.0 funnel, which is a direct marketing funnel. It's like a crazy discount funnel. Think Groupon, things like that. Yelp services. So it has an offer claim page, the appointment booking page. I'm just gonna make this quick, so I'm not gonna open up every single one, but they're all built on custom values too. And then the confirmed page. You can see everything is clean, it's organized, so every single snapshot when you load it, if you have multiple snapshots imported, these ones will not run into the other ones. It won't be disorganized. Everything here has its own folder, so you'll open up all the automations. This is everything attributed to the snapshot right now. We have a beefed up appointment confirmation and reminder campaign, a beefed up auto missed call text back, so it's not just the recipes that you get with high level, it has some additional features, a new lead campaign to deliver the voucher, to notify the users of the account, the business owners, birthday templates, happy birthday, and then if they reply, it starts a conversation to offer them a discount or offer them a referral commission. Same with the database reactivation, follow-up campaign if they did not close the sale, if the appointment gets canceled, removed from the appropriate workflows, no-show reactivation campaigns for people that don't show up to their calls or their appointments, a review request sent to people once a job is done, and then Google My Business message follow-ups for people that start chats on the Google Business profile. These are I think there's eight custom values for all of the 1.0 version funnels. Got the discount offer. Oh, that's a different one. This is the booking page. Let's see. The name of the offer that people are gonna be looking for. You update this, then it updates it all the way through the funnel and all the way through all of the email and text message automations, the discount amount, the city area market name, the logo. So you just go to media, load in a logo, right click it, get the link, paste it here. The agency's name and email. And so this is your agency that you're using to deliver the leads for your client. You put your agency's name and email there. And then the funnel, these will be the calendar link. It's attributed in the email follow-ups for people, for leads that come in but haven't yet booked an appointment. This follow-up is there. And then the discount funnel link as well. So this is the initial landing page. This is used in the database reactivation campaigns, the warm referral campaigns, the happy birthday campaigns. So you're gonna copy and paste the initial landing page link there as well. So all together, takes you about 20 minutes to set up. The things that you're gonna update on these, I will go ahead and just show you this one. You're gonna update the background image on each of the pages, and you're gonna use actual samples of the business's work. And so most of these companies, the home service companies, concrete, pool installation, things like that, they take pictures of their jobs so that they can use them, post them to Facebook, things like that. So just ask them for some really good looking pictures and upload them as the background. You don't want to use stock images. Something like this would work. The map down here, you're going to take a screenshot of the Google map or the Apple map or whatever map you use of the actual business's location. Just go to maps.google.com, plug in their address, and then take a screenshot of the page. And then you're also going to hyperlink this image to that Google map page, just like this. You click on it, and it takes you to the Google map, just to kind of show the people that are in the local market, hey, they're right around the corner from me, I know where that is. And also here, you're gonna use a real testimonial from a real customer. You're gonna plug that in on the page. Everything else is custom values. So this works super duper well. It's worked for years. I've tested this campaign against like really big, nice pages, against even more stripped down pages. And this design is the tried and true winner across thousands of campaigns in many different industries. This just works. So So that's how I have it built here. So all of the concrete, pool installation, and the turf installation are all built on this. They're each getting a complete website template added. At that point, the price is going to go up, and they are also each getting a job estimator calculator built in as well. At that point, there's going to be another jump in the price where people will be able to fill out a survey, and then using custom values and custom fields, it automatically calculates the cost of their job. That is, quite a bit of custom work that's getting done. So that will be a big price jump. It'll be, at least $500, if not closer to $1,000 at that point, or it might be, a monthly license fee to be able to use that. But right now they're only $97 a piece, and if you get it at $97, you're grandfathered into all of the future updates as well. So I hope that explained everything well, and I will just keep an eye on the inbox to see your response.